Hey fellas, there's some excitement going on in the shop today. We just got the stringer made for this this curved stair, and I'm gonna cut it straight off of the bottom of this. So gotta be a little noisy, but wanted to let you guys catch the excitement. And another thing is, I've always wanted to cut crooked with a saw. Now I get my chance. I get to curve around here and see if we can just. This saw is gonna work hard. We're gonna take it around. I've got my guide set, and we're gonna make a straight cut here, and then we're gonna curve and twist the saw to follow that stringer. So if it fails, you guys will see it. We've done it before, and we'll see what we can do. Well, flip the breaker. Okay. Can you pause?